children and adults, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to learn how to put one repeat block inside another to create a nested loop. The story behind this project is going to be Kitten dancing with some friends. So first things first, let's click on the background button to change the background to the theatre so we can have Kitten dancing on stage with their friends. Let's add some friends. One has to be the penguin, surely, after the great football they were playing. Let's add this guy. Tick. And one more. Tack. Let's add tack as well. There we go. So there we have Kitten on stage with their friends. Okay, next we're going to actually program Kitten to actually do their dance moves. So remembering that because we're programming Kitten, we need to click on the Kitten character on the left-hand side there. We're going to start in the yellow category using the green flag start block. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to start to build our dance moves. So what I want, first of all, is for Kitten to move to the right of the stage, and we want them to move 5 times. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a little shimmy that I want them to repeat. So I'm going to actually start with the repeat block there in the orange category, and then go back to the blue category to use some of the turn blocks to do it so that Kitten can do a little shimmy. So we want to shimmy that way and then back the other way there. Then what I want Kitten to do is to move back to the start position. So that's the dance move I want Kitten to do. And I want Kitten to do the shimmy 4 times. That repeat block's fine. But then what I'm going to do is I want the whole thing to repeat 4 times. So I'm going to grab the repeat block again, and I'm going to go over the top of it. And notice where the grey area is, what the repeat block's going to contain. So I then let go, and it encapsulates the repeat within the repeat, and that is a nested loop. Let's see what happens when I press the green flag to go. Amazing, look at that. Very cool. Now I would say I think this character here, Tack, is taking some of Kitten's attention away because Kitten keeps going behind them. So let's try that again. Let's reset and let's see what happens this time. Fantastic. And again, you can see the blocks highlighting they're actually being activated as they are, so you can really follow along your program. Amazing stuff. Let's look at that full screen. Fantastic. And if we want to edit it, we go back to our small screen and there's our opportunity to edit. Well done, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.